Welcome to my capstone project. My capstone project is being a food critic. So, before I start, who am I? My name is Matthew Liu. I go to Gladstone Secondary. I'm 18 years old. I value my friends and family. I enjoy playing League of Legends on the side. And yeah. So for my goals for this project was to advance my food palette and to eat as much as possible, and also to explore the city and try new things, and to have fun, and to enjoy eating out with my friends and family, so I'm not just alone and eating by myself all the time. So this is my project. I became a food critic, and I was trying to try new foods and try new places, and this is my Instagram page, Liu's Choose. And I made this account when Capstone first started, and it's grown since then. So for my project, I thought it was pretty hard to get followers and expand my social platform. When I was on it actively, I'd get more and more people look and follow my posts and account. But now, since of COVID-19, I could see the drop of people because I'm not as active anymore. And since I can't go out as much, it's hard to post more, and I haven't been stocking up much because when I go out, I post the next day or the day of. And I also think it's a struggle because I have to stay active all the time, and I might not have time for that all the time because I might have other things to do. And yeah. So being a food critic, decided to become it because I have a love for food. I love to go out and eat food all the time, and I especially love bubble tea. So I try not to have it every week, but I've been having it every week since the COVID-19. um, I would also try to go to different places and try different things. And now, since I have this project, I could tell my parents that I just have to go out to eat because I have to complete my capstone project. And this project has helped me experience a variety of different foods and cultures, and I hope to try as many food as possible, enjoy each place. I value this because I think it's important to be exposed to different cultures and experience what they have, and to become educated about what their traditions are and what they enjoy to eat. So then if I ever go to their country, I know what to eat and like what they're famous for and like what they enjoy, and so I can have the full experience when I go. My capstone project has come to a complete stop because I'm unable to enter restaurants and try new foods. I would order online, but it's not the same as going to dine in because you just don't get it's not the same environment, and you have like you don't have like the background music, the people, and like how cleanliness it is, like how clean it is and stuff. It's very different, and you can't, it's like everything included, it's not the same. Um, I would also try to not just eat in Vancouver, and also try to eat in Richmond, Surrey, and Burnaby. But since I can't, I just have to leave what I have. After high school, I might continue this for fun because I'm already going out to eat, so might as well do a review, and I might get something out of this in the future. So an example of a post and review is right here, 17 Degrees. It's by Gladstone on Gladstone Secondary. I think it's hard to like take the picture because you have to have like the right background, like a right angle and something nice. And I think it's also hard to write the post because you have to think about like what you'd rate it and stuff, and like what you think about it, and you can't like say bad stuff because then you might not get like them the company to like you or something like that. You have to think about like try to promote yourself, And yeah, here's another example. This place was downtown. It's called Hokkaido Ramen. It was really good, and I think it was also, for this one, I think it was harder to take a picture because inside the restaurant, it was really dark and everything was brown. So I had to like match the food with the table. And yeah. My mentor for this project was Carol Kaysbauer. I've known her for a long time, and she's my best friend's mom. She also employed me at Lee's Donuts, so I also work there. She's also helped me with my reviews. She's helped me decide where to eat. She's helped me a lot altogether, and she's helped me throughout this project. So without her, I wouldn't be able to get through this project. So for the future, this taught me to help my social platform grow, and it's really hard for it to grow, and you need a lot of work. It's also taught me to not judge food and how it smells and looks. You just have to try it so you know what it tastes like, and it's not just on those factors. I've also learned it's not easy moving forward and to like think about my social platform. It's for my Instagram account. Thank you for listening to my capstone project. I hope you enjoy.